What's up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. Look, I got another site and I'm about to cash out on. If y'all are not cashing out with me, y'all are missing out on free money. Alright, it's simple to get this money, and I'm showing you in all my videos how to do it. Alright, now this is Highestpaygpt. Link is in the description. Sign up today. I'm gonna do a cash out of $2.69. They have two options here. You can cash out with check, or you can go through PayPal. Your first cash out on this site has to be a check. For whatever reason, you have to get a check sent to you, like it says there. It talks about your first check being sent. Then after that, you can do PayPal. So I've gotten my first check in the mail a little while ago. So now I'm gonna cash out again. This time I'm gonna cash out with PayPal. So I'm just gonna click withdraw real quick, and bam, you've been added to the pending list. Now it should take maybe a day or two to get here. Easy money. Let me show you my routine on this site. I'll go over here to offer walls. I go straight to your surveys. All right, your surveys, because they pay. My bad, not that one. That's the wrong one. I meant go over here. Where is it at? Let me see. Yeah, you have to put in your information again, but it's another one that I do because I get so many of these sites mixed up. I do so many. But on this one, you can go to Peanut Labs. Peanut Labs is really good. Your surveys, I have to put in my information. I have to do that like often. I do it like once a week. But you go here to Peanut Labs and you'll see here it is about to load up very soon. I don't know why it's taking so long, but that's what I do on this site. I go there. There it is. I go to Peanut Labs. I do your surveys. They have high paying surveys on here, but it's like you have to go enter your information in real quick. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna pause the video real quick just so I can show you how high paying they are. But it's like you have to do this from so often for whatever reason, but it's still good money in it. So I'm gonna put in my information real quick, then I'm gonna be right back. All right, I'm back. Now you see here your surveys, how much they're paying, and look at the points and the amount of time. Look, 5 minutes, 70 points, 5 minutes, 42 points, 10 minutes, 168 points, 5 minutes, 157 points. There's a reason why they call this site Highest Pay, because they're paying you very high for these surveys. All right, but it's like they pay so high, that's why they have to ask you to put in your information like all the time, like every few days or whatever. So I haven't actually done any today, but I did a couple, like I think it was yesterday. I did like 2 or something like that. That's how I cashed out like both of those surveys. I had $0 in my accounts. I already cashed out. I did 2 surveys and I had $2.69, which I just cashed out at the beginning of this video. So they really do pay high. I think I did one that was like worth like $1.60, and another one was worth like a little bit over $1. So they have high paying surveys on here, but at the same time, it's like I try to go for the big ones first. Like this 148, 280. Try to get those out first. Then try to go for the smaller ones. You know what I'm saying? That's how because the big ones, they fill up fast because everybody wants to do them, of course, but just continue to just go from highest to lowest. Go for the big one first, go for the 280, go for the 148, and then as you wind on down, if you tried and done most of these surveys, then you go down to the one that's like 21 points, and I think it was one up here that's worth like 28 points or something like that. Yeah, stuff like that. So go for the big ones first, obviously, and then just do it from there. But that's my routine on this site. I'm going to your surveys. I do Peanut Labs, and I also do Theorem Reach. If you're not familiar with Theorem Reach, they're very similar to Peanut Labs. Theorem Reach does have very quick surveys to do. I do those from time to time. It really just depends on what's available in your surveys. They usually have a lot in your surveys, but Theorem Reach, what I kind of do on that one is like I'll kind of have a separate tab open. So I'm doing your surveys and Theorem Reach at the same time, or I'm doing your surveys and Peanut Labs at the same time. So just kind of doubling up my money, so to speak, doing 2 surveys at once. A lot of people don't really know that you can do that, but you can definitely do that. I do that on this site mainly because your surveys, they pay so high, but at the same time, it's like you have to be greedy when it comes to making money online. You have to go for it all. You have to be quick. You can't be taking forever just to make $1. You have to really use your time wisely. So you see here these these surveys are 5-6 minutes, and they're paying that good money. You continue to bang a few of those out. You know what I'm saying? In 10 minutes, you can have way over $1. So just continue to just grind out on this site. It's really good surveys on here. They're not long to do. They're showing you the time, the average time. You know what I'm saying? You can get it done quicker. It might take you a little longer. Just depends. It's showing you how many they're left to complete. Like this survey right here. Let me show you that 157 one. Look, 5 minutes. They need 60 more. So when they need 60 more, you got to jump on it quick, because a lot of people use these sites. So it can be like 60 people taking the survey right now. They just haven't completed it. You know what I'm saying? You see here at 5 minutes, that 51 right here, 962 left. You know what I'm saying? So there's a lot left. They probably just opened that survey. They're probably looking for like 1,000 people. That's how it started out. But that's my routine on here. Like I said, just your surveys. That's the main thing you want to do. When you knock all of those out, go over to Peanut Labs and or Theorem Reach. You know, either one of those. Try some offers here and there. Just do what you can to make money. You know what I'm saying? Try to make a goal of how much you want to make on this site. For me, it's $2 a day. I come on this site, I log in. Like I cashed out at the beginning of the video. So now my goal is, okay, let me make $2 more. Cash out again, $2. Just doing it over and over and over till you continue to just flood your PayPal account with so much money coming in from so many different sites. All right, so that's what you got to do. You got to cash out every day. And this is a site that you definitely have to put in your routine, because it pays the highest out of all of your surveys and all the surveys that are around. You know what I'm saying? So simple as that. Link is in the description. Sign up with my link today. That way you can, you know, get all my tips, my tricks. You know, if you have questions for me, don't hesitate to hit me up. And just put in the work, y'all. Just don't be lazy like everybody that's around you. Be different. You know what I'm saying? Really grind out, try your hardest. You know, whenever you have spare time here and there, just do a survey or two. As simple as that. And you'll be surprised at how quickly it piles up to the point where you're like, man, I need like, you know, $5, $10. Oh, I can cash on this site. I got $10 there. So things like that you want to just really pay attention to. You want to really put in the work to get money. All right. So that's it for this video. Like I said, link is in the description. Sign up today, create your account, and every penny counts is the main goal. Let your money continue to stack up. All right. I'm out.